This is NOAA All Hazards radio station Belasco, broadcasting alerts, watches, and statements for Belasco City. This message is transmitted at the request of Westerns, Belasco Fire Department, Belasco Police Department, and the Belasco County Sheriff. At 1 p.m., a crash happened near Belasco Hospital. A tanker from Westerns crashed. This tanker is carrying hydrogen sulfide, a very dangerous and potentially deadly chemical. The Belasco Fire Department requests all residents inside Belasco City evacuate immediately. This message is in effect for all of Belasco County. Evacuate now. Do not delay. If you are in a hospital or any public service building, officials will guide you to safety. If your child is in school, do not pick them up. Buses are on the way to pick them up to a safer location. If you cannot move to a safer location, Belasco Fire Department and Belasco County Sheriff are putting rehabilitation points in the forest. Officials will be checking apartments, hotels, and houses. If you understand this message, please wrap a cloth or any bright area on the handle of your front door. This makes sure authorities understand the situation and wastes less time in evacuating. Remember to bring food, clothing, baby formula, and a NOAA All Hazards radio to know when this message is lifted. This message is in effect for 48 hours, until Sunday, July 5th. For more information, please visit belascoemergency.governor. This is NOAA All Hazards radio station Belasco, broadcasting alerts, watches, and statements for Belasco City.